Hey everyone, TTC here, and today I have two awesome Funko Pops to show you. We have Pocahontas and Meeko. So this is now Funko Pop's 8th series release of Disney characters, and this one only includes two, Pocahontas and her pal, Meeko. I'm also going to show you and unbox this awesome Alice Through the Looking Glass Mystery Mini halfway through the review of both of these. I'm going to get these pops out of the box. Here we go. Alright guys, well I got these pops out and I'm going to start here with Pocahontas. Now what I really like about Pocahontas is she has a very cool stand where two of her feet now stand in pegs. They have a big peg and a small peg, so you can't really mess it up, I guess. So you just fit them in like so. This one is a little tough, there we go. And now you can see she has a nice stance and she's very solid. I love when they include the base, as they're big heavy heads, they tend to fall over if they don't have this clear base that they include with some of these. She is the 7th official Disney princess, I believe, from all the Disney princesses, and I think the movie itself was 1995. You guys can check it out. So what I really like is her perfect black flowing hair, and you can see it's one piece. One big piece. She has flawless eyebrows and eyelashes and eyes, very similar to Snow White's Funko Pop. And then check out her awesome outfit. They've nailed it, just like out of the movie. She has here her armband or a tattoo of some sort. And she also has a blue with a little pendant necklace, as you can see. Very well done. I love this Funko Pop. She is one beautiful princess, that's for sure. So there's Pocahontas. I was excited to find her. Found her at Hot Topic. Now I'm going to open up this before I get to Meeko. We have an Alice Through the Looking Glass Mystery Mini. You can see on the back all the different characters we can get. Let's crack this open and see who we get. I still have, I think, 5 of these left. So I want to start winding them down. Now let's see who we got. Oh, I can already tell this is awesome. We got the White Queen. Check her out. I was so disappointed that Funko didn't actually release her as an actual Funko Pop, because that would have been very cool to see her as an actual Funko Pop, but it's nice they included her in the Mystery Mini-series, and she has such an awesome dress. Check it out. So I don't know if she's like the Snow White Queen or the Frozen Queen, but I think I know her as the White Queen. So loving the crown on top. You can see the details. You know, the new Funko Pop Mystery Mini look. Sorry, the Funko Mystery Mini look of their eyes and faces lately. And her arms are coming out. They kind of are posed almost backwards in this. It kind of looks funny if you can see it there. I'm not too sure on camera if you can see it, but loving the details on the dress. Very cool. And she is new to the collection. So we got a princess and a queen. Alright, let's get to Pocahontas' buddy, Meeko. And there he is, eating his little snack. He loves snack, and he loves sneaking snacks. I remember that from the movie. And again, he is a little bit smaller. Show you the size difference. So he is smaller than Pocahontas, but he is a smaller character. And I love how they did his eyes with this paint, the gray contrast with the whitish gray kind of color around the face, and the little swirls of the hair. So cute. Check out how cute this Funko Pop is. What a funny shaped head when you look at the back. And there's his awesome striped tail. A little bit of a plastic flaw there, but all in all, I'm so happy with these Funko Pops. Nice little details. Love the black hands holding the little snack that he has right there. He's nibbling away, as you can see. Very well done. Alright guys, we'll leave a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video review of Pocahontas and Meeko. Also, leave a comment which is your favorite out of these two. You can also pick both. Don't forget, if you're new to our channel, please feel free to subscribe. We put out new videos weekly. And don't forget, stay tuned for more great review videos from Todd's Toy Collector. Bye for now.